Lately, life has felt a little different. New place, new beginning, and somehow a lot of uncertainty. Every morning, I wake up telling myself, maybe today. ايوه هي ترسة البيضة باين أصبح كغيتوس. Anyway, some mornings are just like that. One little thing goes wrong, then another. And you just look at it like, yeah, of course. But you make your coffee and you keep going. Okay, wait. Keep going as meant. Looking for work, searching, applying, waiting, and doing it all over again. Sometimes I'm just like, what am I even doing? And when my mind gets too loud, sometimes I just need to get out, walk, breathe, and maybe get away from all the noise in my head. And then you come outside, and everything feels a little simpler. You look around and realize, life itself is not always as complicated as we make it. Look at them. No idea what tomorrow looks like. No 5-year plan. They just wake up and then they keep moving. And somehow, there's peace in that. Meanwhile, we spend so much time worrying about tomorrow that sometimes we just forget to even look at today. Maybe life is simple. نحن كنصعبوها بزاف وصافي. الحمد لله على كل حال.